Keep floor and dry.
Thing to avoid is
leaving the floor dirty and wet.
Thing to do is
clean the floor if it is dirty and wet, and keep the floor dry.
Always keep the floor clean and dry when working in a workshop to avoid work accidents such as slips and falls.
warning noise hazard. Thing to avoid is
Don't leave your ears bare.
thing to do is
Keep wearing hearing protection.
Be aware of the danger of noise, because noise can interfere with hearing and can damage the eardrum.
keep your distance when the engine is running.
thing to avoid is
Approaching a running machine.
thing to do is
Keep a safe distance.
Don't approach a running machine and keep a safe distance when the engine is operation.
Turn machine off when not in use.
thing to avoid is
Leave the machine without turning it off when finished.
thing to do is
Check and turn off the machine after use.
Always turn off the machine when not in use to avoid starting the machine, which is left unchecked can cause a fire.
Foot protection required.
thing to avoid is
Not wearing safety shoes.
thing to do is
Keep safety shoes.
Always use protective feet when in the workshop to avoid falling feet of heavy and sharp equipment.
Warning pinch hazard.
thing to avoid is
Careless when operating the machine.
thing to do is
Look around and stay alert.
Focus and be careful when working to avoid work accidents, such as hands injury due to being pinched.
Stop practice if the security equipment is not safe.